Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. It's Monday, so that means we have the Mallard again. I've only got the single issue today, which is issue 56. The reason for that is because we've only got a little bit to do to the back head. And then the following issues, we've actually got more work to do on the chassis and the coupling rods. So just finishing off the back head with this one. Now, I've had a quick flick through. There really isn't much to do, so it's going to be a very quick video. Got a little bit of drilling. We're putting on the regulator handles, and I believe we're putting on the reverser or possibly brake. I'm not sure which. Can't remember. But that's all we're doing pretty much. So there is a little bit of drilling, a little bit of cleaning up, a little bit of filing. And because it is so quick, I'll probably just record the whole lot and then probably leave most of it in. So let's get into it. Let's get building.
Welcome to the workshop. Tools are ready to play. We're gonna build something great. Starting here today. Piece by piece we go now.
Right, so issue 56 of the Mallard. And this is the brass set we've got. And although we're told to take off all the bits and clean them all up, you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to just take off the bits I'm using, which in this case are two regulator handles. And I think we have another handle to use. I think it's this one at the top here that we need. But as you can see, all we're doing is getting our back head. We're putting the regulator handles on like so. We just need to cut off the excess after that and then file it down. And that's pretty much it for that bit. And then we've got our floor looking like that. And all we're doing is putting this lever in here, which is the reverse handle. And then that is all we're doing. So it really is going to be a very quick issue. We've got the Mallard story, and we've got classic locomotives. That looks like it's up at the National Rail Museum, I think. If you haven't been, a very nice place to go. No, National Rail Museum. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing, we have our two regulator handles here, and we've got a couple of points there where we need to drill it out. Now, it is going to be easier to do it whilst it's on this sprue. This is a 0.8mm drill bit, and I know I normally do this off camera, but because there's so little to do, it's not going to take long to drill these two holes out. And then what we do, we just attach them to the bulkhead. Right, so we've got two holes in the ends of those levers. We just need to cut those off the sprue. Now, all we need to do is clean up the ends so we've got a rounded profile. This one's going to need a bit more cleaning up because it had quite a bit of solid metalwork there that you can see. So I just need to sand that down as well. So I'll start off with this one. Right, so that's the two regulator handles cleaned up, looking just like that. And then what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be placing them on the ends of here, like that. And all you need to do is put a touch of glue just on the ends and hopefully try and get them roughly level. And the second one just going on here. Now I am giving it a little bit of a wiggle just to help that glue work into that gap. Now once I'm happy, I'll just add a little bit more just to make sure that they are nice and solid. So we have that looking just like that, which looks really good. And I think pretty much got those regulator handles fairly level and even, which is good. Maybe that one needs to come out a little bit more. So now I've moved that, I'll just put a touch more glue on there. And that should keep it in place. Now, when that glue dries, I will cut the ends off of this and then file it down. So I'm just going to leave that like that for now. Now, that's all we needed that back head for. The next thing we need is this. And the only thing we need now is this piece here. I'll just cut that one off. And it should sit in here, like that. Now, from the looks of the illustration, what I need to do is actually cut off the majority of that peg. Looks like it might have been designed if there was a hole in this at some point. But that will sit in there just like that. And then I'm just going to put some glue in there now. Now I know it fits. And then just to reinforce it, just to put a little bit extra on the back there. And then just a little bit more at the front here. And that is looking just like that. And that is all there is to do in that stage. And all there is to do to that part. One thing you might be able to help me with is I've just noticed I've got these two little washout plugs here, or rivet plugs, I don't know what they are. But looks like the instructions have one here as well. Have I missed one? When I put those in, did I miss doing that one? Let me know in the comments when and if I should have put that in. Because I've just noticed in here, you can see that we do have one just there. Now, if that's the case, what I'll probably do is I won't drill it all the way through. I'll probably just get this square rod and then just stick it right in the middle there. Just a very small amount, just to do that. But yeah, certainly missed that one, I think. If anyone knows where that was, save me looking through every magazine I've got so far, let me know. So, cheers. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. So not a great deal to do today, I know, but it hopefully does open the way for a few more exciting issues. As I said, next week we will be continuing work on the chassis and hopefully moving on to the coupling rods. I had a quick look, at least for the next 2 issues, is coupling rods. I might see how much work there is involved, and then maybe double up or triple up maybe the next few issues, depending on how much work there is for the coupling rods. If you want to see that or anything else that goes on the workshop, please do remember to hit that subscribe button and ding the bell, and then you'll be notified when I release new videos. I do have the Batmobile up there. That's ready to go next. So that'll be up on the channel soon as well. Until next time, I'll see you around. Cheers.